brought two RVs to do this with. Only one of them's running this one. Let's see what the old Dodge has in her. Got that little GoPro right there. Hopefully it makes it. If not, it's still going to get an epic view.
Take the ball. We couldn't find Rolling Ranger, but we found the ball. Oh, we hit right now. Sexy post.
First one to hit the pond. That's freaking awesome. They're sending two at the same time, or they're going to try to down the free ramp. I didn't see them do this last year. Let's see how it works. How do you launch a manual car by itself? You'll see. I don't think they had a manual car last year. I don't even know how you work the clutch and the gas at the same time. Do you just dump the clutch? I don't know. We're going to find out. But that Cobalt is a manual.
That one's got some go.
Oh yeah, she scoots. Is that the clutch bar?
This is the official clutch tool.
Gotcha.